Hello, welcome to Shar's Craft Haven. Today we're going to be doing a brief exploration of the marquee function on the LaserBox laser. So this is going to be a brief tutorial on some of the applications, some of the limitations, and what you might use it for. So the first thing to know is that the LaserBox has a camera in the center. It's a wide angle camera, so you're going to get the best results by putting your image in the very middle. So here we have, I just wrote out a mock a mock recipe. One of the things I know people use this for is to put a recipe on like a cutting board or something that's in somebody's handwriting, a great grandparent or something like that, sort of the nostalgia factor. So I put it in, I connected the laser box, and now this is what it's showing me. So over here you have your selection arrow, you have your marquee tool, and then you have your hand grip. The hand grip is very helpful for moving around your view, and then you can use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Zooming in on the image does affect the marquee tool, so you're going to want to get as close as you can to get as much detail as you can. So you're going to go ahead and select the marquee tool. It's then going to ask you to draw a square around to extract it. So you're going to left click and drag around what you're wanting to select. You can do this multiple times, so feel free to just select pieces of it. Then it gives you the erase tool to erase anything that you're not wanting to be in your final product. So it gives you a chance to clean up some things. I did this with a Sharpie, so it's a little a little rough, but you'll get the idea. Then if you don't like it, you can X out of it, or if you want to accept it, you can click the check mark. It's now created an outline of that. So we're going to again use the hand tool to drag over. We're going to select again, this time the chocolate chip cookies. We're going to erase the extra things that we don't want to be engraved. And then we'll just accept that. Another thing that's helpful is by doing this in multiple selections, it gives you the ability to move those pieces independently. So say you want to reformat it for your material, you can do so with each of those pieces. We're going to move this out of the way, and then we're going to select the cookie image. This works best for black and white, or at most 2 or 3 tones, because it's not distinguishing colors. So this looks fine, so we'll accept it. And then we can arrange these. And at this point, we can remove our image and put in our material. And for this example, I'm just gonna put in some scrap wood, so you'll get the idea of what it looks like. Alright, so identifying the material. So now we can move this wherever we'd like. We select our material. This is 3mm Baltic birch. And then I can go ahead and select my settings. Right now I'm in color mode, so I could do a different engraving setting for each, or I can go to the regular mode and just have engraving for the whole thing, and then it will start with my default settings, and then if I wanted I could update those. Some other things I've used this for is if you've done the laser what you draw and some of the lines haven't shown up, you can just basically use this to add in things that have been missed through the algorithm. Um, you can also use this um, to add some lines in. So say it engraved and you want just a little line in just the exact position. You can actually draw on your material, use the marquee tool um, and get a new engraving just on the part that you're wanting without all the same fiddling. Again, noting that the camera is most accurate in the center of the bed. Hope this is helpful. Thanks to Janice for the suggestion of this topic, and feel free to ask questions in the comment and have fun lasering.